The love that ends before it begins. Hi, Charles here. Good morning. It's Saturday and it's the weekend. Yes. So, it's the weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Happy weekend, everyone. And ano muna tayo? Relax, recharge, and bounce back for next week. But now, let's focus dun sa ating content. So recently, parang lagi kong nakikita yung post na yan, the love that ends before it begins. So I read yung post na trending about it, but ano lang, just for the title, but I guess yung gusto kong i-point out. So October na, so we have 3 months left, October, November, December. So siguro ang gusto kong i-point that ito yung the love that ends before it begins. Parang start of this year, parang you're very excited na meron kang New Year's resolution. Tapos after mong naisulat yun, so parang lumipas yung mga buwan and now October, hindi mo pa rin siya nasisimulan yung goal na yon. So parang I'm really talking about missed opportunity or missed chance. But of course, sabi nga nila, 'di ba? Parang may panahon pa. Kumbaga hindi pa naman natatapos tong taon na to. So you still have 3 months. So maybe you wanna check in doon sa New Year's resolutions mo, kung ano yung mga gusto mong gawin na never mo pa talagang nasimulan. Diba yung parang diba pag love, sayang-saya ka, yung parang very excited ka. So parang ganun din yung moment na yun, diba? No, parang eager ka talaga eager you're very eager to start na yung ito yung New Year's resolutions ko. And ayun, so sana you bring that yung ibalik mo yung joy habang sinusulat mo yung New Year's resolutions na yun. And you still have time, kumbaga may 3 months pa at mahaba pa ang panahon na to. So kung ano man yan, simulan mo na yan, check mo na yung checklist mo dyan. But yeah, ayun, so I guess yun lang gusto kong i-relate sa buhay, yung na yun, yung title na yun. But yeah, wala na akong masabi, yun lang. Happy weekend. So good luck, God bless sa ating lahat. I hope you had a great week. It's the first week of October and sana marami tayong na-accomplish. And thank you, Lord, for everything. Thank you. Yan lang. Anyong mama.